In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom page template. If you take notes regularly in OneNote, a custom page template is a great way to make every new page start exactly the way you like. Instead of rebuilding the same layout each time, you'll design it once and reuse it with a click. Here's how to do it clearly and confidently. Begin by creating a single page that looks exactly the way you want future notes to look. Add your headings, section dividers, checklists, tables, and any images or logos you want to appear every time. Set your preferred fonts, sizes, and colors so the style is consistent. If you rely on standard elements like a meeting agenda, action items, or a notes area, lay those out now. Everything you place on this page, text, images, and spacing, will be part of the template. Keep reusable content and leave room for the details you'll fill in later. To avoid clutter, don't include anything time-sensitive or personal. Placeholders like date, attendees, or topic work well to guide you. When the page looks right, go to the ribbon at the top and open the Insert tab. There, find Page Templates. In some versions, this opens a Templates pane on the right. In others, you may see a menu. The goal is the same. You're going to save the page you designed as a reusable template. Choose Save Current Page as a template. OneNote will prompt you to name it. Pick a clear, descriptive name you'll recognize later, like Project Brief or Weekly Meeting Notes. A good name makes it easy to find and apply the template when you're in a hurry. You'll also see an option to set this template as the default for all new pages in the current section. Turn this on if you want every new page you create in that section to start with your design automatically. This applies only to that section, which is helpful if different sections need different layouts. That's it, the template is saved. From now on, whenever you create a new page in that section with the default enabled, it will open with your layout, text, and images ready to go. If you didn't set it as the default, you can still apply it anytime from the templates area. To keep things tidy over time, keep your template simple, consistent, and focused on what you truly reuse. When your workflow evolves, you can refresh the design and save a new version so your notes stay clean and professional. You've now created a custom page template in OneNote. Design your page, go to Insert, Open Page Templates, save the current page as a template, give it a name, and optionally set it as the default for that section.